Yo, what's poppin'? I know it's been a minute since y'all seen this thing on the channel. It's a fun bike. It seems just like my R6, but I picked it up and my boy is like, man, how's it ride? Then he like, yo, how's it come up? Does it wheelie? You know, I'm on demon time, so I mean, I don't mind testing it out. Let's see what the hell this shit got shaking. For y'all that's just new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I do things like this quite often, but I try to be as safe as possible. Windy as hell going this way. Oh, hell no, boy. Oh, it broke off. No fucking way.
But wait, there's more.
What the fuck keys now? Oh my god!
Whore.
This bike is just the worst.
Whore.
The keys just flew out. Oh my god! Jesus Christ. If everything could go wrong, it goes wrong on this bike. GoPro first if I can find it. Motherfucker. Man, I even put a damn tether on that thing, dude. Hey. I'm extremely mad. I really want to find this key, man. There they go! The keys fell out right there. Don't roll my keys over, bro! No! Oh, oh. Don't you do it! Don't you be the guy! Come on, transit van. Oh, man. This as long as the key don't get damaged. This is dreadful! I gotta sit here and watch this the whole time. As long as the key don't get damaged. Come on, Chevy. No! Don't! Oh, it's too close! Oh, it's too close! Alright, after this CRV in this car, we're good. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, come back to me! Oh my god! This fucking bike, man. That's why I'll never ride it.
Because this right here is infuriating. And I tried to put the precautions on this motherfucker that I did. Then the key flew out this. Y'all remember when I had to go look for the key on the goddamn freeway because of this bike? Well, I had to do it again. God damn the karma that this bike has. Man. Tried, man. Hella mad. I'm like, yo, let me use this strong ass wire tie to hold on to the GoPro and put it on the bottom of that just so I can make sure in case my freaking tape the nation situation don't hold it on right here. Oh, this is for sure gonna hold the weight of the GoPro. I thought I was being a clever nigger right with that right there. Psych. broken. Son of a... Man, I should throw it across the room, but no. GoPro, you go
Pay what you owe.